Today's special guest is Lily, who will show us how to make a dragon puppet. For this project, you will need paper, scissors, pencil, and a glue stick.
Hello, today I will be showing you how to make a paper dragon puppet. Now, they don't have to be specifically dragons, and it doesn't have to look specifically like mine does. The first thing you want to do is get 2 pieces of paper and set aside 1 piece. And now you want to make it like really thin and keep rolling it up until you don't have any more to roll up. You want to fold it so it's about an inch thick, and take your glue stick and put some glue along here and fold this bit down. There's a bit hanging over the edge. You can go ahead and cut that off with your scissors. I would advise that. You want to repeat that with your second piece of paper. Now, I'm not very good at folding these in half. I'm going to fold them in half so these 2 things line up. Make sure that's a sharp fold. Do that. Repeat it with both of them. Choose one of them. I'm going to go ahead and choose this one and cut it about like, you can do any thickness. I'm going to go about like an inch. See it come together? What you want to do is grab another paper. This is where the pencil and the scissors come in. And it doesn't really matter which order you do it in. Draw. You like trace it. You want to draw kind of like that shape. Make sure to trace the triangle with the bottom jaw, and then you're going to repeat that with the top jaw. Now, you want to follow these lines. The outside lines, don't make sure not to cut the inner lines because then it won't work. So, and then you fold this on the edge. Okay. So, you got it looking like this. Cut out the other one, do the same thing. And you will want to trace the triangles where you cut them. So, get close because it doesn't really show up. And then cut these out again. Okay, you're gonna want to fold it again. Now what you want to do once you have the triangles, kind of like flatten this out. It's okay if it's a little bent. Put some glue stick here. Once you've done that, on one side, oops, wrong way. Connect it so the folded in part is facing inwards instead of outwards towards the top. And then same with the other one. Just make sure it dries before you use it. So I've gone ahead and done the same thing with each of them. See, starting to come together, but the jaw can fall off. And to fix that, these things you cut off of this, and I cut off one of the squares. Make sure you fold it. It doesn't have to be exact. Fold it so it looks like little. Take it, just glue it. So this goes on the bottom part of the bottom jaw. And then on the bottom on the top part of the bottom jaw and the bottom part of the top jaw. So, see how it's working? And now for the details. Okay, I'm gonna do like a zigzag edge for the bottom jaw. And the rest of the details you can make ears, horns, fur, hair, headphones, anything you want. In the end, you're gonna glue the decorations to the upper and lower jaw. Bye! Thanks for watching.
Please subscribe to my channel for more craft ideas. There's new videos every week, so you don't want to miss one.